to show how our door control sensors work and how we sync it together with the power supply. The unit itself, you have your housing, you have your switch, and you have your two parts screws that put it together and magnifies it to the base when and how it's installed. The track itself comes in 3 meters, and it can be cut at any length and just applying the ends and directly to the power supply. Now, syncing it is very simple. You press your sync button, your switch, unit blinks, it's synchronized, it's ready to go. Now, the unit itself is very simple. You have your, once it's installed, you have one door. Unit is very easy to remove, as you can see, and just clicks on. And the unit itself works individually. So one door will trigger it. Unit is off. I could just open one door and it turns on. So it's a real simple unit to work. Okay, the systems again works one door at a time. We'll turn on the switch. Now the unit itself has a system that mounts on the back side of the shelf, and as you can see, it just lights up the top and bottom of the whole backing. And again, very simple. Once the unit is closed, it turns off seconds later.